Best car floor mats protect SUV interiors from dirt, water, and wear while improving cleanliness, durability, comfort, and long-term vehicle value. My today's video is about top 5 best car floor mats for SUV interiors that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Itato Floor Mats. The Itato Floor Mats and Cargo Liner offer a well-engineered solution for protecting your vehicle's interior. Designed specifically for Subaru Crosstrek 2018 to 2023 and Impreza 2017 to 2023, the advanced 3D scanning technology ensures a precise, edge-to-edge fit that shields every corner of the floor from daily wear. Their thoughtful design balances style and functionality. Raised edges and deep grooves effectively trap mud, water, and debris, while the anti-skid backing and textured surface keep the mats firmly in place during driving. This stability adds both safety and convenience. Built with durable TPE material, the mats provide reliable all-weather protection against rain, snow, sand, spills, and scratches, making them ideal for road trips, outdoor adventures, or everyday commuting. Another advantage is their odorless and eco-friendly construction, creating a safe environment for families and pets. Maintenance is also simple. Just remove the mats, rinse them with water, and let them air dry. Overall, these floor liners combine durability, comfort, and practicality for long-lasting interior protection. Now our second product is Best of Mod All-Weather Floor Mats. The Best of Mod floor mats for the Rivian R1S 2025 to 2026 are thoughtfully designed to deliver precise fit and dependable interior protection. Built using accurate 3D scan data, these mats match the Gen 2 R1S floor layout perfectly, ensuring edge-to-edge coverage that keeps dirt and debris from reaching the original carpet. Constructed from premium TP, thermoplastic elastomer, the mats offer excellent durability while remaining flexible and odorless, even during hot summer days. The material is also non-flammable and eco-friendly, making it a reliable and safe choice for daily driving. On the back, durable rubber spikes keep the mats firmly in place, while the 3D anti-slip textured surface adds extra grip for improved driving safety, particularly in wet or muddy conditions. The design provides full coverage, all-weather protection against mud, spills, dust, and wear, helping maintain the vehicle's clean interior. Installation is simple. Just place the mats on the floor, and removal is equally easy for quick cleaning. Overall, these mats combine durability, convenience, and smart design for long-term protection. Our third product is MIX Super Floor Mats. These floor mats are a practical upgrade for Kia's Stinger AWD models from 2018 to 2024, offering a precise fit and dependable interior protection. Designed using digital 3D laser scanning, the liners align perfectly with the vehicle's floor shape, ensuring complete coverage while keeping the original carpet safe. It's important to note that they're specifically made for AWD versions and are not compatible with RWD models. Made from high-quality TPE material, the mats provide excellent durability and flexibility in all seasons. The waterproof and odorless construction ensures a comfortable cabin environment, while the wear-resistant surface handles daily use with ease. Raised edges around the perimeter effectively block liquids, mud, and debris from spilling onto the floorboard. The textured, non-slip surface improves driving safety by keeping the mats firmly in place. Built-in channels trap sand, water, and dirt, helping maintain a cleaner interior. Cleaning is simple. Just wipe them down, rinse with water, or wash with mild soap for a fresh, like new look. Now number 4, Motor Trend Flex Tough Floor Mats. Motor Trend's Flex Tough car floor mats are an excellent choice for drivers seeking durable, all-weather protection. Engineered from a proprietary heavy-duty rubber blend, these mats resist cracking and deformation while shielding your vehicle's interior from snow, rain, mud, and everyday spills. Their robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, even under frequent use. Designed with a universal fit in mind, the mats measure 27-inch LX20W for the front and 51 LX14 W for the rear, and they flexibly mold to the contours of most vehicle floors. For a more precise fit, the trim-to-fit design allows customization to match your car's interior perfectly. Beyond protection, these mats are highly practical. The textured surface helps prevent slipping, while spills, dirt, and stains are easy to remove with just soap and water. Whether navigating rainy streets, snowy roads, or muddy trails, Motor Trend's FlexTough mats combine rugged durability, versatility, and easy maintenance to keep your vehicle clean and safe. And our last choice is BDK floor mats. BDK all-weather PVC rubber floor mats are a reliable solution for protecting your vehicle's interior from daily wear and tear. Crafted from heavy-duty, durable PVC, these mats shield your car's original carpet against mud, dirt, dust, and spills, making them ideal for families, pet owners, or outdoor enthusiasts. The mats feature a well-designed channel construction that effectively traps water, mud, and debris, preventing it from spreading onto your floors. This thoughtful design ensures that your vehicle remains clean, even in rainy or snowy conditions. Measuring 28 by 18 inches for the front and 16.5 by 18 inches for the rear, the mats provide ample coverage for most vehicles. For added versatility, these mats are easy to trim, allowing a custom fit that conforms perfectly to your car's floor contours. Their robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the simple cleaning process, just rinse or wipe, makes maintenance hassle-free. Overall, BDK PVC mats combine durability, protection, and practicality for any vehicle. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.